Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I've got a special PR package from Bioderma that they have sent me to celebrate Holi. And I cannot wait to unbox it with you all and see what all skincare goodies they have sent me. And as we all know, Holi, the festival of colors, is one of the most joyful and vibrant celebrations in India. It marks the arrival of spring and symbolizes love, happiness and new beginnings. The festival is all about playing with colors, dancing and indulging in festive treats. But while Holi is fun, it can be a little harsh on our skin due to the exposure to wet and dry colors along with the sun and dryness. That is why pre and post Holi skincare is super important. So PR packages like these ones are really special and I love receiving these thoughtful packages, especially when they are themed around festivals. I'm super excited to see what Bioderma has sent me to keep my skin fresh and glowing after Holi. I will be unboxing the PR packages, showing you all the products, and also I'll be sharing my honest reviews. So let's dive right in and see what is inside the box. This is the delivery package that I've received from Bioderma. I've opened it so that I can take out the main box from inside, which is this one. The packaging is really luxurious, awesome and durable. Let me give you all a close-up of the branding and the designs. It's like so beautiful, so chic, such unique packaging. Alright, it's time to open it. Oh, so first I see this. So let's see what is inside. Oh, this is the micellar water. It is the Sensibio H2O makeup remover. This is great because I had one before and I finished it like a couple of months ago. So I have used it and I absolutely love this makeup remover. Bioderma's micellar water is a total game changer, especially when it comes to gentle yet effective makeup removal. Also, this micellar water is especially formulated for sensitive skin, making it a favorite among skincare lovers and professionals. The formula is designed to remove makeup, dirt and impurities without stripping off the skin of its natural moisture. What makes it stand out is its Micellar technology, which works like a magnet to attract and lift away oil and makeup while keeping the skin hydrated and balanced. Unlike other harsh makeup removers, Bioderma's micellar water claims that it does not need rinsing after use, making it perfect for a quick and easy cleansing routine. However, as a skincare girl myself, I would always advise rinsing your face after cleansing your face with any makeup remover or cleansing balms. Even if the product claims that you do not need rinsing after using the product, trust me, we need to rinse and clean our face with water at least once to get rid of any kind of residual product. It will not only ensure that your skin is super clean and hydrated, but will also make your skin plump and become like a sponge to soak in all the goodness from the skincare products that you are planning to apply next. This product is dermatologically tested. It is free from alcohol, paraben and any harsh chemical, ensuring it does not irritate our skin or cause any breakouts. It is extremely lightweight. Just look at it. It has like a water-like consistency, which feels very refreshing on the skin, without any greasy or sticky residue. Many makeup artists and dermatologists swear by it because it is super gentle. It is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, including the delicate eye areas. Whether you're removing heavy makeup or just want to quickly freshen up your skin, the Bioderma's Micellar water is definitely a must-have for a fuss-free and effective cleansing routine. Now, let me tell you what could be a problem with this product, because I have faced one teeny tiny concern or issue while using the last bottle. So you might face issue to remove your waterproof mascara from the lashes. But I have actually stopped using waterproof makeup products since they are more harmful to our skin with more harsh chemicals that help making them long-lasting and waterproof products. So that's the only concern. Other than that, everything is good to go. I really love this product. It's a 10 on 10 for me. It works great for me. Now let's see what else have I got in the box. Alright then, the next thing. We have got a beautiful card here that says Happy Holi. A gift from us to you and have a colorful day. And we have another card here that wishes Happy Women's Day. And there are some details written inside regarding women's empowerment and how the INDHA brand is uplifting women from rural areas. I'm going to give you all a close-up, so please pause and read if interested. Now let's see the next thing. Next we have this package. Well, this is sealed, so let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, so beautiful and cute. Oh, this is a cute mirror. And it's by INDHA brand. It is so cute and so beautiful. So the top compartment is done now. Let us see the second compartment. Let's check it out. Oh wow! There are holy colors. This is exactly what I needed for the festival. It's amazing. So I've got total 5 colors over here. So I got green, lavender, red, pink and yellow. So last but not the least, we have a beautiful case for sunglass made by INDHA brand. It looks so pretty, gorgeous and absolutely beautiful with these Indian traditional and cultural designs and prints. Let's look at the inside. And love this orange vibrant color as well. So cute. Also so uniquely designed and handmade. So guys, this is it from this box. But we are not done yet, because I have got another smaller package from Bioderma. Okay, Bioderma is killing it with its unique and beautiful packaging. Just ignore that. Just look at this beautiful print and design on the packaging. It is so unique and beautiful. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we have got a sunscreen here. Very important because it's almost summer now and we need some sun and UV protection. This is a Sun Active Defense Invisible Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++ with UVA and UVB protection. It is called Photoderm Cream and we get 40 ml product in this tube. So cute and beautiful packaging. Now let me just quickly apply it and see how it feels on my skin. The product thickness and consistency is pretty good. Take a good amount of the sunscreen lotion and apply it on your face and neck before the sun exposure. And don't forget to reapply after sweating or swimming. Okay, now it's time for the honest reviews. My skin feels well moisturized and very hydrating. The product texture is very good and soothing on the skin. Absolutely non-greasy and non-sticky. Also, I don't see any white cast residue. So there is no white cast. I'm pretty happy with the formula. So this is a good quality sunscreen. Guys, go for it. It's a good one. Alright guys, my Bioderma PR packages unboxing is done. I am extremely happy to receive all these PR packages from Bioderma, so thank you so much. I hope that you all like this video and share it with other skincare enthusiasts. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also connect with me on my other social media handles. Please let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next on my channel. So until next time, stay glowing, stay beautiful. Bye bye.